Welcome to the Panasonic ADVANC-R vacuum insulation panel installation recommendations for traditional roof systems. In this video, we'll outline the installation steps to help you achieve the desired performance and long-lasting durability. Some key installation points to keep in mind. Sandwich the vacuum insulation panels between two protective layers in the roof assembly. Stagger seams between adjacent VIP rows and between roofing layers. Keep vacuum insulation panels at least 8 inches from parapet walls, curbs, and penetrations. Secure using adhesive only. Do not cut, bend, puncture, or walk on panels. Before installing, check each VIP for damage and confirm vacuum integrity. A panel with vacuum loss will feel soft and lack rigidity. The other film should be tight and smooth. Do not use any panels that are damaged or have lost vacuum. Cover stage panels at night with the original sleeves or tarps to protect from rain, dust, debris, and incidental foot traffic. Keep the work area organized to prevent accidental damage to vacuum insulation panels. Handle panels carefully and lift by the edges. Never bend, cut, puncture, or step on a panel. It is important to maintain the VIP vacuum. Prepare the substrate according to the roofing system manufacturer's specifications. Ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free of debris or sharp objects. Confirm slope and drainage are established before applying adhesive. Install a protection layer, such as a thin cover board or polyiso layer over the deck. Keep the top of this protective layer clean of debris. The vacuum insulation panels will be adhered to this protection layer. Keep panels packaged until installation. Stage only a few boxes at a time. Install only as much VIP as can be covered in a day to ensure panel protection. Plan your layout to stagger seams between adjacent rows and between roofing layers. Staggering reduces linear thermal paths and helps maximize thermal insulation of the roofing assembly. Maintain at least 8 inches clearance from the walls, penetrations, and obstructions. Fill any gaps with compatible insulation infill, such as polyiso or EPS strips. Use low-rise foam adhesive approved by the roofing system manufacturer for use with ADVANC-R vacuum insulation panels. Apply adhesive in a ribbon pattern. Follow adhesive manufacturer coverage rates and open time. Avoid solvent-based adhesives that can damage the VIP film. Then, place the panel with the highly reflective, or shiny side, face up, and lower each panel gently into the wet adhesive. Do not slide. Never fasten through the VIP. If a panel is damaged or punctured, set it aside and do not use it. Press panels to ensure full contact and eliminate air pockets. Keep rows straight and panels square. Do not force joints tightly as this may stress the film. Place a layer of scrap infill material on the panel before adding heavy weights to protect it while the adhesive cures. Use temporary walk pads or protection boards to avoid walking directly on the vacuum insulation panels. Keep sharp tools and fasteners away from VIP surfaces. Apply infill such as polyiso or EPS strips to fill edges, step transitions, or areas where VIPs are intentionally omitted, such as near parapets and penetrations. This maintains continuous thermal control without risking puncture. Follow the roof system details for phaser compatibility and attachment. Document panel layout, batch labels, and any field changes for warranty records. Once the VIP panels have cured, adhere a protective cover board such as gypsum, high-density polyiso, or cement board using low-rise foam adhesive. Place heavy weights on top to prevent movement while the adhesive sets. This cover layer protects the vacuum insulation panels during membrane installation and foot traffic. After curing, install the roofing membrane as specified by the manufacturer. Thank you for choosing Panasonic ADVANC-R insulation, and happy installing!
Panasonic Industry